Hi and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to replace cabin air filter on 2012 Nissan Rogue. This is gonna be the same location on Nissan Rogues from 2008 and all the way up to 2014. Also, your Nissan Sentra will have the same location of cabin air filter. So, cabin air filter on this 2012 Nissan Rogue is located on the driver's side, inside of that trim panel, and it's actually very near to the accelerator pedal. So it should be somewhere here. Now, to remove existing filter, you need to locate that trim panel and you need to remove it. That plastic trim cover has some tabs that are located right here, so you can start from the bottom and you just want to slowly pull it away, and then when you have that side out, you just want to slide it out. Now you can see you have tabs here. Tabs are going here and here, and then this is just a slide pin that goes here. Now we can remove that out of the way. Now you can see your cabin air filter housing, and this would be that plastic, black plastic. You can push your accelerator pedal down so you have better access. And now you just want to start from the bottom. You just want to pull down on that tab down. So pull down on that tab, and now you can remove that plastic cover. So you can see there is this tab here and one small one on the top. Now we can pull our old filter out. It's a little tricky because it's tight space and it's a long filter. And we finally have it out. And look how dirty was that thing. Now we're gonna clean all this up. We're gonna clean inside the housing before we install a new cabin air filter. Now when everything is cleaned up, we're gonna install a brand new cabin air filter. You always need to remember the your arrow, the way it's pointing. So whenever you're taking your old cabin air filter, you need to double check in which position your arrow was pointing. So in this case, we're gonna install this one like that. It's a little longer filter, so what we want to do, we want to pinch it in the middle. It's gonna be easier for us to install it like that. Make sure it's all the way in. Try to wiggle it up a little bit so it can spread out inside. There we go. Now don't forget your plastic cover that's gonna close it up. So when you're reinstalling it, you're gonna start with the top one. You wanna hook that up and just slide the bottom in. That top is hooked up, and just slide the bottom in, and that's it. It's all completed. Once your cabin air filter is installed, you just want to put back this plastic cover. So you start it by sliding it in. Needs a latch here, this metal bracket. And then just push it in. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks.